Marco Colbert, Speedo Coat Refinish Network. I got a really small job for you guys today, just a front lip. Someone previously tried to paint it. It came out really bad. Sanded down with some 320. We got it kind of smooth. We'll see how it comes out. But I wanted to take this opportunity to present to you guys a brand new product. Speedo Coat Aerosol 2.1 VOC, primer sealer, and adhesion promoter in one. This product, game changer. Not only is this going to increase flex and durability in whatever raw plastics or whatever you might be painting, it's going to go ahead and also fill in those prep scratches. On top of that, you don't have to use a primer sealer when using this product. This is your primer sealer. So you do about 1 to 2 really light coats of this stuff, maybe like 1 medium coat. You let it flash off for 10-15 minutes, you're ready for base. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to pop the wheel in this thing, see what it can do. As you can see with the lip, we got a nice, decent quality, smooth finish. The sealer, I was very, very impressed with. It just gave us a really, really good, clean, smooth foundation to put our base coat over. As you notice with the lip, it had a lot of like little burn through spots where we burned through the existing paint and went straight to bare plastic. This covered up all those imperfections and we didn't have any problems laying our base down. You already know what to expect with our production clears, very high gloss, very easy to apply, and super fast dry time. If you guys are interested in getting it, you can go to www.speedocoat.com, buy it direct from the site. Also, don't forget, you can also call the technical support and figure out which adhesion promoter might be best for your project, which primer sealer might be best for your project. 100% free to call and ask, and you will always be steered in the right direction to complete your project. That wraps up for the video, guys. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.